They always say the best thing about Christmas is the plum pudding.
Hello everybody, welcome to the kitchen, and today we're going to make a royal plum pudding. This recipe was found in an old newspaper called The Sun, which was printed in 1961. So I'm going to share a few tips with you along the way how to make a successful pudding. But to begin with, we'll start with the ingredients. We're going to need 125 blanched almonds chopped, 250 grams of breadcrumbs, 2-day-old breadcrumbs if you can, 250 grams of mixed peel, 315 grams of butter, 750 grams of raisins, 250 grams sultanas, 250 grams currants, 250 grams of flour sifted, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 6 tablespoons of your favorite liquor. So I'm using whiskey, you can use brandy or any other alcohol, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 6 eggs. 250 grams of sugar. So once you've got all your ingredients, you're set to go. So let's get cracking. Oh, and here is the first tip. First of all, you'll need the capacity of a 14 cup or a large pudding bowl, or you may have 2, so you can divide the mixture into 2 batches. But the first tip is at the top of your pudding bowl, you need to line it with some baking paper. This will ensure that it won't stick. How many times have you left your pudding in the bowl? So this will ensure. The other tip is to ensure that you butter your bowl very well. Now, to cut a piece of baking paper for your bowl, cut this baking powder with your bowl. There's your circular piece. You butter your bowl and you'll place that at the bottom of your bowl. Your second tip is you need to cut a piece of an old tea towel, which will be placed at the top of your pudding. Again, draw a circle around your bowl. There you go, and that will be placed on top of your pudding. Once you've buttered your bowl, place your piece of paper on the top. Just put a little bit of, smear a bit of butter over that, and your first part of the preparation is ready. You'll also need a piece of butter paper for the top of the cooking bowl. So once again, use your bowl, turn it over.
second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
And now you have your piece of baking paper also for the top. In 2 pieces, and your piece that I have already placed at the bottom of the pudding.
3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden.
Okay, once we've have our mixture ready, we're going to put it in the pudding bowl, and I'll show you the third tip. We'll place the paper followed by the towel, and we're going to dust the towel with some flour, which will help prevent anything sticking, and then we'll cover it with foil and some string around just under the lip of the pudding. We're going to place it in a big boiling pot where we will cook it for 6 hours. Once cooked, you can put it away for a month, 2 months, whenever, up until Christmas Day. And then on Christmas Day, you'll need to boil it for 2 hours in hot water again. Just 3/4 of the pot needs to be full. After 2 hours, turn out your pudding, make yourself some custard, of course, and serve it.
6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Our big boiler, ready to go in the pot. You'll need some twine to wrap around the pudding bowl.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge.
And your fourth tip was to use a string and do a handle, so on the day when it comes to pulling out your pudding out of the hot water, you've got a little leverage to pull it out without getting burnt. So anyway, that's our pudding ready to be boiled for the next 6 hours. And just top up your water as you go along with boiling water from your kettle, of course. See you on Christmas Day. Bye. And it's one thing we all look forward to is plum pudding.